Okay, so good morning, everyone. So I'm here to do a task. I'm doing a little very gentle and soft look. I'm doing some skincare. So let me introduce myself very quickly. I'm Giselle James. I am a cosmetologist. So once you hear cosmetologist, I deal with hair, skin, mani-pedis, face, makeup. I am an instructor. I'm a beauty culture instructor. So I teach young ladies like yourself to get into the field of cosmetology. I teach synergy and I also teach community development. So I'm more into the educating sector of this aspect. Normally I used to stand behind the chair, but then I get tired of that. So I see too many young people coming into the industry and not having much knowledge. So I say, let me go out there and educate. So I'm educating now. So I am here to give you some tips on some skincare. So I'm going to do a little small cleanse, tone, moisturize, give you some tips on how to take care of your skin at a tender age. So let's start. So first step, I am going to cleanse. So sometimes, and I know most of you would be cleansing. So let me see, what do you use to cleanse your face? So let me hear you. What do you use to cleanse your face? You're at home and you're cleansing. So what you use to cleanse your face? Or clean your face as you would know?
Uh, I use a soap, black
Right, so
soap,
you use
black
soap,
soap.
right? Who else? Yes.
Cleanser.
Cleanser.
I
Who said cleanser? Who said that? Right.
Christina.
Okay, nice, very
I
good.
use face masks.
Wipes. Okay, all right,
I
good.
use a cleanser and apple cider vinegar.
Mm. But I want you to be very careful. So the person that says apple cider vinegar, let me see you. Now, apple cider vinegar is acidic.
No,
You do
I
not
mix it with
want to
water.
use so much acidic product on your face. You have to be very careful with that. Now, you can use the apple cider vinegar providing you have a lot of acne and you want to help with that process. But constant use of the apple cider vinegar could be very dangerous to your skin. So take a note of that. Now another thing with the soap. Soap tend to leave a layer on your skin. Now sometimes soap is all you have. So the people that are using the soap, you can just wash your face with bare water. That helps. No product at all. Because I'm sure for those of you who using the soap, you are not using makeup. So simple water, just wash your face with plain water. It helps a lot. Yeah, yeah. Sounds strange, eh? But it will, trust me. Plain water. Yeah. Any questions?
Does the
No?
water have to be at any temperature?
So tell me, sorry, I didn't get that.
Is the water at like room temperature or
Room
warm or something like
temperature. Yes,
that?
room temperature. Now, if you're using warmer water tend to open up your skin, open up your pores. So if you are using warmer water, let's say you want to do a exfoliant, or as we know it, like a scrub. So what that will do, that will take out the dead skin. So let's say months you haven't done anything with your face. You have some acne, you have some dryness of your skin, you'd use an exfoliant. So it's like a scrub where you'll have some fine granules. Now, if you have no scrub, simple as brown sugar, sugar that you'd use to sweeten your tea, you can use that. But you'll have to put that into your blender to get the grains a little softer because the grains are so coarse and hard, you don't want to use that rough sugar grains on your face. So you can put it in your blender for a little bit to kind of smooth and get the grains a little, softer. You don't want that coarseness. You can add a little honey with it to give that skin that nice, bright, radiant glow. Yeah, even milk. You can add a little spoonful, teaspoon of milk with it to give it a piece. And you apply that onto your face. Yeah, simple thing that you can get in your home. Simple as turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow thing like saffron. Sometimes you have discoloration on your face. So let's say you have a pimple and you keep on digging and picking and you leave a big scar. You can use turmeric. Turmeric and milk and those stuff helps clear the discoloration of your face. So I'm seeing Miss Marilyn.
Yes, I mix the sugar with coffee and blend the
Coffee,
two together
right?
and
Yes,
turmeric.
yes. But you have to be careful with the mixer. You don't want those grains to be too coarse. You want
No,
that
I blend it.
good,
Blend it.
very good. Yes. So the grains are softer. Yes, very good. Yes. So sugar and coffee. Yes, you can use that. That's correct. Yeah. Any other question? No. So I'm just going to cleanse my face. So I have this facial cleanser. We have this product here. It's called Arista. So it's a facial cleanser that I do not need to get up to go and wash it. So it's a cleanser that I can use a cotton pad, one of these, and just remove it right here. I'm cleansing. So let me apply and show you. So just a little bit, probably a drop. So I'm spreading it. I'm not rubbing it in like I'm rubbing moisturizer, but I'm just spreading it. Onto my entire face. And I'm using the cotton pad now to remove it. So you notice you didn't see me going in and to massage it in. So I'm using the cotton pad now to just remove it. So this, what I'm doing here, it's a cleanser. So I use one side, I'm turning the other side. Right, so I'm toning. Now I have toner, this toner, masala water. I also have caramel toner. But toner depending on your skin type. So some people would use toner because it's a toner, but it's not a one size fits all. So toner tends to hydrate the skin. It gives the skin so simple as rose water. This is another toner. People would normally use this rose water in food. Yeah, rose water. Sometimes you come home and you just put this rose water, you mist it on your face. So let's say you have a shower, you mist it on your face. After you do that, you could put some coconut oil, but you're putting the coconut oil on the face after sex. You don't want that heat to burn that coconut oil. So you do not put the coconut oil on your face during the day and go out there shopping. No. So you put that coconut oil on your face afternoon time. So I'm just going to tune a little bit. So after cleanse, you tone. So you can either tone with the cotton pads or you can mist your toner on and leave it there for a while. Sometimes I like misting it on and just letting it air dry. Right, so after we cleanse tone, we are going to moisturize. So there are different types of moisturizer. So from the Caramia brand, I have this moisturizer. So this is cream form. So I also has rose hip oil, which is also a good moisturizer. So what rose hip oil does, it helps with discoloration, uneven skin tone moisturizer. So I have some uneven skin tone. Normally I would use this moisturizer for people who has very dry skin. But I have oily skin, so I do not like using it. It makes me too oily. So I do not use rose hip. I started using this about a week now. So I had some discoloration. Now, simple as holding your phone. You have your phone. And you are constantly holding your phone there. The radiation in that phone tend to gives you some discoloration. And I am constantly on a phone and I noticed it was happening to me. So I started to use this rose hip oil to kind of clear my discoloration. Sometimes the mask, not washing your mask, you tend to get mask knee, like acne from your mask. So I started to get some, you know, sometimes you're in a hustle, you grab a mask, acne from the mask. So I'm using this rosehip to clear up. So I'm using it as my moisturizer as well. Just a few drops. You rub that into your skin. You don't want your face to be too oily with it. So you rub, so this is what you rub into the skin. Don't forget your neckline. And you moisturize. Now, when you do exfoliant like the brown sugar and the coffee, these moisturizing products is like so your exfoliant or your scrub, as we would say it, with your brown sugar and your coffee is like a power washer. So it's like you're cleaning you take your power washer and you clean the concrete. When you see you put these, the oils and your moisturizer, it goes in to your skin. It doesn't just stay on the layer there, but it goes straight into your skin, and that is what you need. Because sometimes people would say, you're putting so much of product on your face and your face still dry, but you need to remove those dead skin from your face to help that product go in and soak into your skin. It's like your hair. Sometimes it's so much thing you're using, and no matter what you put on your hair still dry. But sometimes, are you drinking enough water? And this water, it also goes with your skin. Lack of water tend to show through your skin. You see a set of dryness at the side of your nose, at the side of your mouth, and you're wondering what it is going on. Sometimes you scratch the surface of your skin and it's notices a little dusty. Lack of water. So remember, whatever internal tend to come out. So by you drinking, so sometimes you will take care of the outer, but you're not taking care of the inner, which is your body, which is the temple. So you need to take care of this temple in order for things to show through. It's like a tree, you plant a tree, and you just leave it. You're not nurturing it. It will die. Eventually, it will die. Right? So any questions so far? Am I going too fast? You all understanding? Okay. All right. Very good. Very nice. Right. So I was told that most of you are under 15. So I'm not going to do too much of our makeup. I don't want to encourage you all. Now, once you are 18 years and over, then you can start to dabble into the makeup. Now, as you are under 15, take care of this thing called your skin. Which, yeah, go ahead.
May I ask a question? Or something I realized that when you rub in your face, you use a certain direction.
Yes, I do. Now you're trying not to rub your skin down because you don't want premature hanging. So I try to lift and rub. Lift and rub.
Okay, thanks.
Simple as your eyes. So me as a professional makeup artist, you would need eyeshadow primer. Now people have this habit of taking this brush and you're just pulling down. Obviously, you'll have premature hang eyelids. You don't want that. So, you know, you take your time and you tap your stuff on. Even your foundation, you tap it on. People just love to rub down. And it's like your neck. You have to be very mindful with that. Remember, constantly doing something would show the result afterwards. Eh?
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Dorothea.
Do we have to put sunscreen?
Sunscreen in our skin, right? Yes, that's very important. Now, we in the Caribbean, we think our skin is so, we have dark skin and we really don't need the sunscreen. That's for those who are of lighter complexion. But yes, we do. Because remember, the sun is so harsh on our skin. By us not protecting our skin, it shows. So sunscreen is very important. Even though you're going on the beach, put sunscreen on. And some of your products, some of your facial products, like your cleansers and stuff, not your cleansers, your moisturizer, has a SPF. So always look for products. So sometimes you would think you are not you are not, okay, so you're not disciplined enough to put your sunscreen on, look for product that has the SPF in it. It is very important for your skin. Your skin is such a gentle thing, that you need to take care of it. And if you are not taking care of your skin from young, when you get older, you would see the result of you not taking care of your skin. Now, thank God for those who have oily skin like myself, we do not age quickly. Our skin do not get wrinkled because of the oils. So for those of you who has oily skin, try not to lose the oils, lose the luster. And those of you who has dry skin, take care of it. Dry skin can change in the sense that it can change to probably combination. It may not get as oily as mine, but it can change by you constantly drinking enough water, by you adding moisture to your face on a daily basis. So always remember that. So I saying clear.
Okay, so and you know how sunscreen has, I think it's SPF, we call it,
Yes.
a certain number. What is the recommended number of SPF you should buy?
There's no particular. Once it's SPF, you know you're in the game. So there's no particular number, but once the SPF is most important. Very good question.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.